It's called Austria. The train. A little bit of rain, but it's okay. I made it to the Airbnb. I have arrived. Circus. And I'm going to France. I paid 14 euros for 2 days of travel on trains. Let's go, boys. How you guys doing? I'm in the center somewhere. Let's explore. We got the building. Very nice architecture. The fountain a little bit dirty and not working. That's okay. Vienna State Opera. Some pedicab action. Goldie. How you doing? Look at that rabbit. The guy on the horse. Let's get on a horse. How much? How you doing, horses? What's going on with you? Fox. Taxi, but no engine. We got ancient clock. The river.
I think so, yeah.
The clean river, look at that. Guy on a horse. Там можно купить тикет. That's it. What can I buy?
Mais Romy, t'aimes bien être jolie sur les photos, là, c'est lourd.
A river. The mall. Oh look, Interspar. I don't know, bro. Very cool, and I'm out of here. Very nice, very nice.
In Richtung Romanik-Allee.
Look at that. Throw the water. Yes. How you doing, my friend? Nobody's in there. Film festival. Very nice party. That's a big horse right there. Who this? Who this? Tell me. Maria Theresia. There she is. Burgarden's poppen. Платить не надо. It's free. Simmering. I'm at the palace. Look at this guy. I don't have budget for these things anymore. I'm broke. More horses. Pretty horses. O kurwa. Fountain. Water. Behind the fountain. Beautiful. Спасите меня, закрыли. Let me out. Little bit of hiking. Слава Советскому Союзу. Слава КПСС. Last evening in Vienna. Let's go, boys. Tomorrow in Turkey. Antalya. Here we come. Beautiful building. A very beautiful evening. We are tourists. Whose horse is that? Busy evening today, eh? What's going on? Ничего не понятно, короче. All They got pool of water on a water. Polizei. None of my business. Johann Nitter needs to die. Die. Мамаситы загорают. VIP coming through. Very nice sunset in Vienna, Austria. Waiting for a clock to move. Train is busy. Airport. We love good airport. My plane. My plane.